I hate to do this, okay? Alam ko mahirap mawagan ng trabaho. Lalo na ngayon. Napakahirap ng buhay. Pero, sana po, we are sending a message loud and clear to everyone in government and everyone in the DOTR, everyone in the airport, everyone in the port, everyone in the railway, everyone in the road sector, LTO, LTFRB, everyone, that we will not tolerate this sort of behavior against our citizens. So we are hereby announcing the termination of all the people in the OTS who were involved in this incident. Ilan ba? Tatlo. Three personnel. Hindi po kami nagdadalawa. We are not fooling around here. Hindi kami nagloloko dito. Kung akala nyo nagloloko kami, nagkakamali kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa lang namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigation has been conducted. But now we are terminating them already today. I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today.